Okay, so you ready to start 3B?
Ready to go.
Okay, so let's dive into lab 3B. Now 3B is really the same thing as 3A, but now we want to test this gas. So I'll read from the lab challenge again. So how does this pure vital air, we're going to just call this vital air, collected in lab 3A, affect the acidity of water and how does this gas affect a burning ember? So we're going to run two tests. We're going to see how this gas affects the acidity of water, so we'll need our universal pH indicator, and we're going to see how it affects a burning ember. So we'll need a wood splint and a match. And the question, of course, is what gas do you think vital air is? So what gas do you think we created? So I'm going to jump to lab 3B, the procedure. And so if you still have your gas from 3A, great, you could just use that. Otherwise, go back to the lab 3A procedure and create the same gas we'll call vital air. So you put your potassium iodide, float that down, suck in your hydrogen peroxide, and whatever gas you make, we're going to test in this lab 3B. Which means I can jump to part 2. You want to do the burning ember test or the pH test?
We can do the burning ember test.
Okay. So set the syringe upside down. Reem's already done that. Plunge your side down, light a wooden splint, and then gently blow it out so you have a glowing, burning ember. And hold the burning ember about 3 to 5 centimeters above the tip of the syringe. And this will take 2 people as well. And I've seen students hold the burning ember too close to the tip and you can actually melt this plastic. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unscrew this. And I'm just going to do like a couple puffs. Bam. Maybe we can blow that out and try to light it again. Okay, that's good. And that's the burning ember test. So whatever air this is, it has this wonderful property of taking a burning ember and relighting it. Interesting.
That was kind of cool.
Yeah. Okay, let's do part 3. So we're going to set the syringe upside down on the table again. If you've used all of your gas for that test, which I'm sure many of you have because it's so cool, you want to keep doing it. Awesome. But if you use it all, you just got to make it again, which hopefully is no problem. Drop one drop of universal indicator onto the bottom of your pie plate. This pie plate is dirty, so let me get a little piece of aluminum foil. Okay, so we're going to just drop universal indicator onto our aluminum foil. Unscrew, remove the, just take off your tip cap. Direct the other end. So you can use tubing. Oh yeah, you have tubing. Nice. So I'm going to take this off. And to get the tubing on, you kind of actually, even though it doesn't have a thread, you screw it in and it kind of works. And now we just expel this vital air onto the universal indicator, and we check the color. So it goes from green to, this is going to be exciting, green to green. So whatever gas this is, it doesn't do much to universal indicator.
Doesn't change the pH.
But it does reignite a burning ember. Okay, that's 3B. Awesome.
Here we go.